anyone out there in America is watching and would like to buy me a new car, I'd be happy to accept it.
Wow.
I need one.
Yeah, that was an amazing statement right there.
You're one of those people.
No, I was thinking
I know,
about
I was
how
thinking the same thing.
Okay. I was thinking about how I need a new car and what kind of car I want. What kind of car do I want?
Why don't you buy your own car?
Zach, shut up.
Why would you make a statement like that?
Because I felt like it.
Yeah, I found it very Jen-like.
I was thinking that kind of.
Well, I find your scent very Jen-like.
It's fine. I find Paris Hilton very similar. I'm
You
kidding.
guys are dumb.
Not really.
Okay. Sorry, some of us have a sense of humor. God.
Ooh, please point them out.
You are really annoying.
You're related.
Kidding me?